In this video, I'm going to show you how to make LED lights in Bloxburg. So first, make sure you are on the build modes. Now, click the three dots and then navigate to the roofs. Click on that to see the visualization of your building in here so you can know where you can put your LED lights in here. So in this case, I decided to put it in here. So navigate to the decorate and then lighting, and then click this horizontal neon light and then put it to your desired place. So as you can see in here, I fast forwarded it since it takes a lot of minutes to finish it. So once you're done, you can customize its color to your desired color. So I change it to the red color. And then once you're done, navigate to the toggle groups. And as you can see in here, I've kinda take it too high. But yeah, then that's it. You can adjust it to your desired height. If you want a too much low for that and a high like what I did, you can adjust it to your desired height. And that's it. That's how to make LED lights in Bloxburg. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.